This channel supports Extra Life in its efforts to raise money for the Children's Miracle Network. For more information about how to donate and join in their efforts, go to the link displayed here. Extra Life. Play games, heal kids. What up, everybody? This is your boy Black Magus, and just talking about some things that's coming up. First of all, with the channel, going to be putting out some more Extra Life stuff, so expect that to come. By the way, I need to thank you guys for all the support you've shown me. I really appreciate it. Appreciate the love that me and Gaming Enclave Pete have got from the Sharpshooting podcast. We're gonna try to continue to keep it rolling. I mean, we're getting good feedback. We're having fun doing it. You guys are engaged in it, so really appreciate it. We're gonna keep the ball rolling. Can't wait for Royal Rumble, actually, because that's going to be fun to talk about afterwards. Also, still doing Team Green. Sorry I wasn't there this Sunday, but I was helping my best friend move, and it was an all-day event. Pretty much, we started around 1 o'clock. I didn't get home until maybe 9. So that shows you what type of day that was for me. But hopefully the show went well. I still haven't had a chance to watch it because I've been going back and forth doing stuff, trying to take care of things. One of the things I'm trying to get situated is trying to clear out some stuff in my house, get rid of some old stuff. I got like a shit ton of DVDs that I'm trying to move out. Just get my house in order, get things together. Kind of a struggle right now with some things, some personal stuff, family things, but I'm not going to go into details about that. Just know that everything's cool, it's being taken care of, and your boy's going to keep it going, because that's what we do in life. You face adversity, you figure it out. You got to figure it out. But anyway, another thing I'm trying to take care of is the PC build that I talked about. Decided I am going ahead with the cheaper combo that I listed, and I remember to put the link in the description for you guys to see. It's actually going to end up costing me about $550 once I get it together, which isn't bad. Just really quick, the components: it's a i7 3.6 gigahertz 4th generation processor. It's a MSI Z97 motherboard, 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM. It's going to come with a terabyte hard drive, just a regular hard drive. I'm not getting a solid state yet. That I'll get at a later date. It's not that important right now. The 630 watt power supply and a RAID Max Cobra Z case. All that comes together for the $550. I don't actually have to buy a video card because it will have an onboard card, and the i7 does have integrated graphics to power it. But I also have this. Funny, because I've gotten to keep boxes. I know this isn't the sexiest thing in the world, but I've had it for a while. It works fine. Good thing about it is that I don't have to worry about power consumption. That's why I, am not tripping off of the power supply's wattage, because this just runs off the motherboard, so it's not going to tax me anything, and it's still able to play games. Games still look good. I've never went into details about computer stuff before, but I'm thinking maybe I'll start doing some videos talking about computer components and things like that, and just giving my perspective on it, because it's this right here, this cost me like $80-$90 sometime last year. It's an upgrade from a 630 I had, and it works fine. I'm able to run games very well on my i5 that I have now, which I'm going to be selling. That's going to be part of the fundraising drive, because I have a laptop to work off of, so I can get rid of my computer, work off the laptop, and then I can get the computer situated, put together, whatnot. And with the graphics card thing, I've figured why spend hundreds and hundreds extra just for that. I'm not building this necessarily for gaming, so it's a moot point. But I'll go into those details in a separate video. Like I said, I think I'll start breaking down like my journey to the build and why I'm doing this and what I think worked for someone building a computer. Because I think a lot of times people will tell you to go for the gusto and spend all this money when you don't necessarily need it. Like most games out now will run off of this. It's not going to give you sick 4K and all that stuff like that, but if you're looking for 1080p game, and probably fine with just this. You probably won't be able to do a lot of like real intensive stuff at the ultra settings, like take a game like Battlefield 4 or anything like that, but you'll be able to run a lot of things at high settings. It'll look gorgeous, it'll run smooth, it'll perform well. That should be the main goal, but again, it's a whole separate video topic, what have you. So that's what I'm working on. The computer raised most of the money, but I'm thinking of ways to raise money now. I'm not going to ask people to donate money. It's the last thing I want to do. But what I will say this is that I do have an Amazon.com affiliation link, which I'll put at the top of the description so you guys can see. I have one for UK and one for the US. Basically, all you do is you go to that link, you bookmark it. Anytime you buy something on Amazon, Amazon will record it as basically a suggestion promotion done by me, and they'll kick me over somewhere between 2 to 5% of the sale. It accumulates, so the more you guys buy with that link, the more of a referral fee I get, and it adds up. They kick me a little check, and that's the way it goes. And I think that's the best way to do things, because I have donation links, I'm sure somewhere. I don't even know if I put them in the description, but I really don't like the idea of asking people to give me money. I don't even like borrowing money from family and close friends. That's just not me. But I will say this: if you guys want to like support, that's the best way to support. Just bookmark those links, use those when you shop on Amazon. It kicks over a little bit of money, and it'll help me towards getting the computer and to supporting the channel too, so I can possibly pick up some stuff to add. There's a lot of stuff I really wanted to do, like green screening, things like that, to spruce the site up a bit. So, just go to the description, click on that link, bookmark it. Whenever you shop on Amazon, just go straight to that link, and that'll work that way. There's a couple of other affiliation programs that I signed up for, but I really don't promote, and I'm really bad at that. I'm really bad at promoting things that benefit me, which I don't really know why I'm like that. I'd rather do like what I'm going to do with Extra Life and push hard for stuff like that. I've always been someone who's been about helping others, but I probably need to be more about helping myself. But that's a topic that I probably have talked about before in the commentary about life, or if not, then I probably need to do. But that's what's going on. So, getting all that stuff together, like I said, selling my computer, gonna miss this thing. It's a good computer, but I need to improve, not just for the website, but because I'm doing network administration, and I'm going to need better hardware to do my lab work and things like that. So this is like, it's not just a YouTube thing, but it's a life thing. I'm trying to situate myself so I can, further myself, and I can do things like learn Photoshop and other video editing stuff, and improve video editing quality of my YouTube videos, and help me increase my skills. It's a lot that's going with this. So if you guys want to use the links, I appreciate it, but somehow I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna take care of this, and I'm looking at this as a stepping stone to improving my life and my channel, and the videos for you guys. So again, even though I'm doing something for myself, I'm kind of doing something for you guys too, because I want to put out the best stuff for you. I want to make this channel, I definitely do want to make this channel something that you guys really enjoy and are proud of watching. So hopefully that's where we can get to. So wish me luck, cross your fingers, say your prayers, hope for the best for me and all of that. Not just with that, but for everything, because I honestly hope for the best for everybody out there. Again, I really appreciate everything that you guys do on the channel, the support, the comments, the retweets, the likes, you know, favorites, all of that is greatly appreciated. I know I've said before that I don't really do this for the money, but you know, I feel like this is gonna sound corny, but I feel like I'm getting like paid ridiculously well, not in money, because I don't really make money off of this, but in goodwill and support. And that's a really, really valuable, cool thing that I appreciate. I really appreciate you guys coming through and engaging with me in my content and all of that. It's really appreciated. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyway, done with the corny, you know, emotional part. Anyway, let's wrap this video up. So that's what's going on with more MLB, more NBA. I'm gonna get on the NBA videos, I promise. I'm gonna get on the Madden Ultimate Team too. I just need to get myself situated and just make that push, get back on the Twitch and all that, and just continue to like build on the channel and to build a better product for you guys. But anyway, done rambling. As always, you guys hit me up, let me know what you think, and I'll holler at you later. This your boy Black Makers, and I'm out. Deuces.